This is a very great day for us here in Kisumu because this SGR railway was conceived during the government of President Kibaki, but it was implemented during the Oburu first regime. When the next regime, where His Excellency President Ruto was also there, tried to push this project to be implemented and to go further up to Uganda. Your Excellencies, it became a very heavy thing to do because the explanation given then was that it was unviable and therefore it could not be financed and therefore it could not continue. Mr. President, you have invented a way of financing this project, and this project is now continuing not only to Kisumu but to Malaba and up to Uganda. But Mr. President, I now wonder how an unviable project 5 years ago has become viable 5 years later. Mr. President, this is a show of commitment to developing infrastructure. Without proper infrastructure, Your Excellencies, it is impossible to connect our three countries. These three countries of Uganda, Kenya, and Tanzania. They were supposed to be one country. It is just because of colonial divisions that they became separate countries. If you look at Kenya and Uganda, Samias are on both sides. The Tesos are on both sides. We go to Uganda, the Maasais and up to Wadigos down there are all in both sides of the countries. They are supposed to be one country. And Your Excellency, Museveni, President Museveni, I appeal to you, please make this lake of ours, Lake Victoria, a common user facility so that you can manage the security of the lake jointly with us. We don't want harassment from our side and from your side. President Museveni, I plead with you and President Ruto, please make this a common user facility, how it used to be when our forefathers were managing it, without any conflict in the lake at all. I don't want to speak much more than that, but I think this infrastructure is going to open development in East Africa. It is also a show that Kisumu now is looked at from a different mirror. The mirror with which Kisumu is looked at is now different, and we are going to continue together. In Kenya, Honorable President Museveni, we are working together in a broad-based arrangement with President Ruto in order to bring the country together, to bring this unity in the country so that we can continue to develop. Mr. President, the presidents of Kenya and Uganda, I thank you very much for listening to me, and the wananchi of Kisumu hoye! The wananchi of Kisumu power! The power!